This time I want to teach yourself how to use AI to generate videos on phone. I've spoken about how to use it on laptop, but it's the same way. The way you use it on phone is the way you use it on laptop. So now there are different AI tools that you can use, from text to image, lip syncing, image to videos, all those ones. You can use Dreamface, you can use Flow AI, you can use Grok, you can use Engine, you can use Quan. There are a lot of them. That's why I said in this time we are going to take a lot of time in video creation, because video creation is to take time, and it takes patience, especially if you're a content creator. Apart from the tools for creating the videos, you also need to learn the tools for editing the videos, editors app like CapCut, InShot, and all that. So we are going to be taking a lot of time in this aspect of video creation, because you have to edit. You don't just create video and post online, especially for social content creators. You have to edit your videos. So we are going to be teaching ourselves how to do all of that in this session. So now let's take it step by step. You can use Dreamface. You can use if you're a content creator, let me just go to Dreamface. Dreamface, you can go to your browser, or you can download it on. So this is Dreamface. Can you see here? This is Dreamface. So you can go to your browser and search for Dreamface, or you can go to your Play Store and download it on your app. So of course, many AI generated videos, I mean AI tools for generating videos, many of them are not free. You have to know this. Many of them are not free, but we are going to try our best possible to bring the ones that you can be using for free. There are some that will allow you to generate some videos for free for a limited time. As you can see, this is Dreamface. Of course, as a new user, you'll be able to create some content for free. You can see this is the interface for Dreamface. uh I'm coming. All these are advertisements. So you can see here we have talk stroke sing avatar. This is an avatar. You have an avatar that is talking or singing. If you're a content creator, this is good for you. Image to video, that's when you have generated your image with ChatGPT, or you use Gemini to generate your video, or you use Whisk to generate your image. Then you can take it here to turn it to video. Then you can see image generate, that is you just use a prompt that you generate from ChatGPT or Gemini to generate your video here. So there are other things that you can do. You see podcast. If you want to be doing podcast, you can see remove background. If you don't want to use remove the video, you can come here. Pet lip sync, like pets like dog, cats, they can be singing. You can see magic effect. So before we go into that, I want to show us something. If you come down, you see some templates. These are templates. You can see people dancing. You can see this particular one is very popular. You can see, you might have seen let me play it. These are templates of trending videos that you can jump on. What do I mean? All you just need to do is what you you can see. All you just need to do is what to upload your image. Can you see at the back? Upload human or pet photo. Then it will not be dancing like the person in the reference image. So that is what this one does. Okay, now let's upload our image. So let's upload our image. I told you image generation is very, it used to take time. Like sometimes you may generate video and it will not give you the results. Like if you upload an image now, it may not generate the exact image. So you have to be doing it. So let's create now. Add motion to photo. So this is what I did. I did add motion to photo. So now it's generating. So what this will do is now is going to, this girl now will be dancing the way that man is dancing. So it's generating. So you can click on view later in profile. View later in profile means when you click view later in profile, you can be doing some other things. Why the can you see your profile now? You can come here, click on profile. You can come to click on profile and come and see. You see all the videos that you've generated. Can you see the previous ones I did? These are the previous ones I did. These are the previous ones I did. So can you see image videos? A lot of things that you can do with this. So that is no. Now let's go back to explore. Let's go back to explore. I told you there are a lot of tools that we'll be talking about. So you have to take your time. Today we are talking about dream face. So now you can see if you click on image to video, if you click on image to video, it will take you to image to video. Then you upload, add image. You add image, any image that you want to turn to video. Let me find my image. Let me just. I have a lot of works on my phone, so let me just use this one. So now I've clicked on this, confirm. So this is the image I want to use. So add an image, then describe your video. So now, if you want to describe an image, now, can you see now? It's telling me to describe my image. So what do I do here now? I'll go to my ChatGPT and give me a short speech. Maybe let me say few lines. I will say, give me a few lines. Give me a few line speech about investment. Make it spirit driving. That is, anybody that hears it, we know. So now, see, can you see? This is the what ChatGPT gave to me. So now I copy it and go back to my dream face. So this is why sometimes if I'm doing all this kind of thing, I like to split my screen. Can you see now? What I'm doing now has gone. So that means you have to first, if you are using a phone that you cannot split the screen into two, you have to first go to your ChatGPT, copy your prompt. You have to know what exactly you want to come and do in your dream face before you come to dream face. So now I've copied my ChatGPT. I've uploaded my image. I'm uploading my image now. I've clicked on confirm. Then I'll click on speech. Create. So now it will create. Can you see it's processing now? So you can also view later in profile. You can click on view later in profile. You come back to your profile to come and view it. Let's see the first one whether it's done. So can you see the first one? Can you see it? My baby is dancing. Happy birthday. My baby is going to be 2 years. So can you see now? For content creator now. So people you can carry it to Tinubu. I told you that the best content you can do now that will blow quick is using Tinubu for content. So now if you now take Tinubu now, with now write a good caption, you know how many likes and comments you are going to be getting on these videos. So that is how it works. So all you just need to do is to download. You can download. This is a free version. If you are starting new, you won't see this dream face. Can you see it has downloaded to image? Apart from all these ones that have showed us, this is where it gets crazier. You know, other AI tools, when you use them to create a video, you sometimes they don't sound like the real person. When they talk, you know they are AI, they are generated with AI. So this is where it gets interesting with Dreamface. You can clone a voice. You can see creation avatar voices. Click on voices. You can see create your own voice. With this now, you can clone a real voice of a person, of yourself or somebody, and you can use that person voice to create the image. You know, when you create the video, you can now use that person, the real voice, to create it. So how do you go about it? You can import from photos, that is, you can import you can import the video. You can import the video from someone. You can import the video of the person speaking, or you can record a voice. You can see import from photo, import from video. Let's say Tinubu now is talking now. You can import from there. You can import the video. Then it will extract the voice. But if you want to use your own voice, or the person is near you, you can record the person's voice. So you allow while using the app. So it will ask you to read all these things now. All you just need to do is to read it. The okay. S- uh, Easy, easy. S- So now I've added this. So now is I can name it my voice, or you can give it any name. So now it's uploading now. This is where it gets crazier. Dreamface will literally, can you see the voice is there now? So whatever you write, whatever text you will write, it is your voice that will be using, that Dreamface will be using to speak. So it will be as if you are speaking. This thing is very dangerous. This particular app is very powerful. You can use it to do a lot of things, but please use it for good. Oh, don't use it to scam someone. You can use it for your contents. You can use it for a lot of things, valuable things that are legit. Don't do something that police will be looking for you. I'm not the one that teach you. So you can see this is the voice.
Hello,
It has
welcome to Dream Face.
So this is my voice now. So whatever video I want to create now, whatever video I want to create now, I can use my voice to create it. Like if I have a image to video, if I want to create image to video now, can you see? I can talk about the sound, the resolution, and all that. Then I can talk about animate effects. Then I can talk about settings. Okay. So I want to teach us. So you can see there are a lot of templates that you can use. A lot of templates that you can use. There are a lot of templates. Can you see here? Contents, a lot of things. This one alone, you can use it to, can you see, you and only this one alone, you can use it for your content. Just imagine now, this basketball bad now. And now go and play Sinubu. And now go and play Sinubu in this. Let's imagine that I Sinubu like this guy. In fact, let me do it now. Let me animate. I want to choose another avatar. Let me go and download Tinubu on Pinterest. Let me go and download Tinubu on Pinterest. Then I want to use Tinubu to I want to create a content now. So this is the content I want to create now. Let me download Tinubu. Because Tinubu now is the real content that you can be creating now, and you'll be getting followers quickly. So now let me choose this one. Let me just download. So now I've downloaded it. Let me go back to my dream face. Let me go back to my dream face, and So now let's go to our profile. Now let's go to our profile to check our results. Can you see baseball bat it? So now this is the result. Let's see. Can you see? Can you see? Very funny. So you can just give it a caption, like one caption to cover this drink face of the thing. Or I will see teachers app that you can use to remove the watermark. Since you are using free version, it will always be this watermark once you have exceeded the free trial. But there's a way we remove all these watermarks that it won't show in our videos. So can you see this funny image now? This particular one, I'm going to paste it. Just find one tag, one funny something that you can just write caption. Just give it a brilliant caption. Use it and cover this dream face or everything. And you post it on social media and then you see people reposting, you see people commenting, you see people sharing. So this alone has saved you the stress of thinking of what content can I create. So all you just this dream face is enough app for you that as a content creator. You can use this to create hundreds and thousands of content. All you just need to do is to explore. Go to explore. You see a lot of templates that you can use. Image generation, video generation, dancing, a lot of things that you're going to be seeing. Create, content creation can be somehow. You may be thinking, what content can I create? So you have enough of template here that I can just use. Even images, if you want to create images, instead of going to ChatGPT to always generate